How do we model multiplication using an open array? Step 1. Oops, I don't have graph paper. What should I do? I think I'll use an open array. All you have to do is make a rectangle. You can do that. Don't worry about how long or wide it is because it's an open array. Step 2. Label the dimensions. We're going to multiply 34 by 16. Step 3. Now you're going to break each factor into tens and ones. 34 is 30 plus 4. 16 is 10 plus 6. Now you're going to estimate how the rectangle should be divided.
Into tens and ones.
That makes sense, right? Step 5. Now you're going to look at the smaller arrays that are inside the larger array. The purple section here represents 10 times 30, which is 300. The red rectangle here represents 6 times 30, which is 180. The orange rectangle here represents 10 times 4, which is 40. And the small rectangle that's left over is 4 times 6 or 6 times 4, which is 24. So we have these 4 partial products, 300, 180, 40, and 24. The last step is to add those partial products together for your final product. So 16 times 34 equals 544.
Your math teachers rock.